A judge from South Mississippi was brought in to hear this case, and she did not take very long to rule, refusing to issue an injunction to keep this clinic open and simply stating that the state's abortion laws should ultimately be decided by the state Supreme Court.
The judgment of God is not going to be weak.
You don't have to answer for what you speak to.
Protesters on both sides of the debate lined up outside the Hinds County Chancery Court building. Inside, Judge Deborah Holford, who was brought in from South Mississippi, heard arguments from the Jackson Women's Health Organization, claiming a 1998 state Supreme Court case called Fordyce protects a woman's right to abortion.
And we believe it clearly is. Just as the federal government has the United States Constitution, interpreted and applied by the federal courts with the ultimate decisions to be made by the United States Supreme Court. Each of the 50 states has their own constitution.
The abortion clinic operators contend that the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe v. Wade means that each state can decide if abortion should be allowed. And they argue the state Supreme Court has already said a woman's right to choose is protected.
The Mississippi Constitution doesn't expressly protect the right to abortion. Okay? But hey, the federal Constitution doesn't either expressly protect such a right.
But the Attorney General's office says whatever may have been the legal case was changed forever with the Roe v. Wade ruling.
There is no Fordyce to protect the right to abortion because the federal right of privacy, it no longer protects the right to abortion.
Well, if the court follows the Mississippi Supreme Court's decision from 1998, then an order will have to be issued to prevent these laws from going into effect.
But the judge refused to issue that injunction, and attorneys earlier today predicted this matter will ultimately end up between the state Supreme Court judges, but that avenue not laid out yet. We reached out to the attorneys. They sent us a statement saying, in short, that they're still reviewing their next option. But without a last-minute injunction or other legal maneuver, this clinic here in Jackson set to close down this Thursday. Live in Jackson, Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.